Hello, my name is Muhammad Shiradeva. I'm from 11B, and in this video I'm going to explain about Arduino project called Control an LED with the remote control. So first of all, what do you need? Well, first of all, you need the Arduino Uno and the connector for the Chromebook, and then you need the breadboard. This is ohmmeter. This is an infrared receptor, and this is an LED. And there are 6 cables. And finally, the remote. So now let's head into the Chromebook. As you can see, I'm using a Chromebook instead of Windows or Mac. So, what do you need when you are using Chromebook? Is first of all, you need to go to Chrome Web Store and then download this Arduino Create for Education. And then after that, you simply tap it and then you are in to the Arduino editor. So, you are not going to get into this page instantly. You need to log in or sign up first, but it's a simple step. You just put your account, sign up there, and then you are going to go inside the editor. Alright, now what you are going to do is building the circuit like this. So what you are going to do first is simply connect the Arduino Uno to the Chromebook like this. As you can see, it's turned on. And then we are going to connect these cables, and then after that we are going to test it. But so I've completed it. Now if you want to look at it. Alright, now let's go to the editor. So you might find yourself in the sketchbook like this. So what we are going to do is, first of all, I'm going to copy a code. You can get the code from a website, a link in the description, and then you just paste it here. Wait. Alright. Now what you're gonna do is, first of all, you are going to change a few value here and here. Alright, so what you want to change it with is with the code from your remote. So go to the monitor and then use your remote. For example, let's say we want this to be turned on and off. Look, you are going to see it like that. Alright, then after you get it, is just copy paste this code and then paste it here. Alright, don't erase the 0x, it's essential. And then after that, let's say it's 1 to blink it on and off constantly. Alright, you've got this. Alright, copy it and then paste it here. Alright, so far so good. And then let's verify and save it. Alright, now let's check it. Perfect. Now it's all working as intended. Alright, and that's it for the controlling an LED with the remote for this project. Thank you.